Hi everyone, this is Rima and welcome back to my channel. So I'm making video after a long time. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to talk about the process of electrolysis. As you know that electrolysis is a process in which the chemical decomposition of the liquids takes place with the help of the electric current. So here we are going to learn about the chemical effects of electric current. So as you know that metals are the good conductors of electricity, but here in this experiment I've used pencil lead, which is graphite, which is made up of graphite. It is a form of carbon. So it is a non-metal which also allows the flow of electrons. Okay, so why graphite? In it the carbon molecules, the arrangement of the carbon molecules, it can easily allow the electrons to pass through. So it's a non-metal which can also conduct electricity. So let's learn more about the experiment. So here I have taken a cup which is made up of glass, so and added water into it. So this is the salt and water electrolysis. So I'm adding salt into it because salt is a good conductor of electricity. Liquids like solution of acids, base are also good conductors of electricity, but distilled water does not conduct electricity. If you add some salts, acid or base into it, this will start conducting electricity. And for support, I have used for keeping the pencil, I have used a support. So this is having graphite into it. So it is basically a electrode. So it is going to conduct electricity. So here you can see that there are two pencils. So the first one, which is the black one, it will act as a anode, and the second one, which is blue one, will be cathode. So I'll be connecting it to a battery. So anode is a positive terminal. The electrode will be connected to the positive terminal of the battery, which is the anode, while the cathode will be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Okay. So basically, if the electric current passes, you will be observing various phenomenon. So like change in color of the conducting liquid, and then deposition of metal on the electrodes, or bubbles of gas near the electrodes. So in this experiment you will see that the bubbles will be generated near the anode. Okay, so basically near the anode, and it will be exchanged to the cathode also. So basically what happens in the process of electrolysis, exchange of electrons takes place. Okay, so as you can see that I have connected the that is pencil lid, which is made up of graphite, to the positive terminal of the battery, and one to the negative terminal of the battery. So you will see that bubbles will be generated. So this bubbles proves that the current is passing through. So by this we can see that the bubbles which are generated near the anode is the oxygen, and the bubbles which will be generated near the cathode is a hydrogen gas. Okay, so this is a process of electrolysis which is basically used for the electroplating. So as you can see that the bubbles can be observed. So the bubbles which are generated near the anode is the oxygen gas, and the bubbles which are generated near the cathode is the hydrogen gas. So this this is basically what happens here is breaking of water through the electric current is taking place, that is chemical deposition is occurring. So such chemical decomposition of conducting liquid through electric current is electrolysis. So as you can observe the bubbles closely here in this video, see that bubbles which are generated in the black pencil lid is the oxygen gas forming, whereas it is getting exchanged to the blue pencil, that's the hydrogen gas formed. So that is how the exchange of metals actually take place. So in this I have used this battery. So the larger one is the positive terminal which was connected to the black pencil. It acts as anode, and the smaller one is the cathode which is connected to